folks, it's Nick here. I thought I'd take the opportunity of just doing a quick walk round of the mods I made to my Honda CB500X 2022 model that I bought in March of 2022. I've now done just over 10,000 miles on the bike and put some additional pieces on and then changed those out for other pieces. So let's have a look and see what I've done. First of all, I want to point out the Hepco and Becker Tank protection, bodywork protection bars, and I'll put descriptions to each of these in the description below. And they mounted very easily. They seem pretty strong, nicely constructed. You can see there's a scuff there, which is where I inadvertently misplaced my feet when coming to a halt on my trip around Europe, and the bike toppled over. Rather than struggle with it, I let it fall, didn't do my back in, but it did its job and protected the bike very well. Just moving up, you can see the Barkbusters, the hand guards and lever protection kit, and again they did a great job. No damage to the bike, the levers were fine, but you can see there's scuff marks on the actual hand guard itself. Going down, I fitted the R&G engine bars. These are a nice piece of kit. They come with an oil filter shield and the exhaust shield too. They do mount at the back using the center stand pivot point, so you can't use that if that's what you intended to have. You can't have a center stand with them. But they seem pretty good. It also has a skid pan built in too. Moving along, I have the SW-Motech foot pegs. They are wider than standard, very comfortable, and of course do pivot too. Just above there you can see my Oxford Systems Oxymizer for trickle feeding the battery. Works very well. Moving further back, these are the Outback Motortek soft luggage panniers and rear rack. I haven't really had to use the rear rack. I tend to carry my luggage either in the soft panniers and on the passenger seat when I'm camping. But they do come with an all-important heat shield, which does a great job of keeping the soft panniers off of the tailpipe, because on day 3, my trip around Europe with a different rack system, I burnt a hole in my pannier. That's my fault. That was the Shad rails I was using for that. They work well, but you just have to be careful of what soft luggage you use with it. And I use the Lomo panniers. They are quite big and therefore not ideal for that particular configuration. I've also fitted the R&G Kickstand widening foot. It just makes the foot wider so that you can be more confident when you park in soft terrain. I have a generic mount for my handlebar mounted action camera. Just came from eBay, not sure the mate seems to do a good enough job. And the last piece I wanted to call out was the billet mount for the Zumo XT. Not sure how visible this will be, but it just mounts onto the 12mm bar of the spring. So that's it. I hope you found some value in this video, and if you did, please like, add any comments below, and I'll endeavour to get back to you. I've put the description in the description of the items that I've listed here anyway. All that leaves me to do is say Bye for now.